Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG computer mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and it'll give you a couple of options. We're going to select the playful Pixlr X, and then we're going to go to Open Image on the left hand side and find the JPEG computer mockup. It's going to ask us about the size. Just select the original size. And now we want to add our website, so we'll go to this icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it, and click on that. And it'll give us several options, so we'll click on the top one, Browse. Then we will find our website. It's going to ask us whether we want to create a new document or add it to the current document. So we'll click Add Current. And it's a little big. So these four corners, we're going to click on that and hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and just drag in to make it smaller. You can drag out to make it a little bit bigger too. And then I'm just going to click and drag to move the website over. And to better line it up with a JPEG, we'll make it transparent temporarily. So if we click on these three little dots on the right hand side in the layers panel, it will give us some options. We can click and drag the slider and the transparency down to see the background better, and that'll allow us to move it in place better. We also need to crop it. So to do that, we'll go to this scissors tool on the left hand side that says Cutout when you hover over it. Click on that, and it'll give you options of several tools. We want to select the shape cutout, and then we just want to click and drag and draw a rectangle for where the screen should be while the website layer is selected in the layers panel on the right. And it'll just remove the excess so it fits to the right size of the screen. And then we'll click on the three little dots in the layers panel again, and we'll move the transparency back up to 100. And now we're all done with that, so we can just click Save at the bottom here. And you're going to want to save it as a JPEG for use as a thumbnail, like on Etsy. I changed the quality to 100, make sure it's on high, and then just click Download. And it's going to let you know it saved it to the default download folder, and it'll also give you an option to change the folder where it's saved. And if you want to, you can save it as a Pixlr document too. So to do that, click Save again, and then just select the PXD file type and click Download. And that's all there is to adding your website to the JPEG computer mockup. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.